pretty sure that's a bird. There's the head right there, body, wings, tail. This is that stone that has what looks like a lion on both sides, on the end. And a bison. I think this might be an axe. It looks like an axe, but I don't think it is. It fits perfectly, just like this. Real comfortable. It's perfect in the hand. It looks like a scraper. I think it's a scraper. It just fits perfect. And this one, the wear on it shows right there on that little rounded, sanded off area right there. And this fits perfectly like this. So I think this was an abrasion tool. Excuse me. Because the wear right there, that rounded area, it's not seen on the other pieces, other places. There's a little wear right here too. And it's also real comfortable to hold it like that. So I think it was an abrasion tool right there and there. It's real comfortable for that. I don't see a cutting edge. I don't see anything. Well, I see those two abrasion spots, and they fit like really good for abrasion. I don't see any other wear. A lot of color in it. I think there's some stuff on here that I can't see, but I really think there's a lot of stuff on this little tool. It's all original color, and it has kind of a yellowish orange, a black, red, and there's been some work to show some sort of image. Interesting stone. Can't wait to polymer them. Sometimes that helps a lot. Overall, it looks like a bison facing to the left, a lion facing to the right. I also see a bird. There's his eye right there, and his head. One wing goes over here. The other wing comes up here. That's the feathers, and the tail's down here. Right here I see a horse. There's the front legs, back legs, and from this angle it looks more like possibly a wolf. The mouth is open. This could be his front leg and paws. I'm not sure what the word is, pictograph or pictograph, but this is engraving and then color. Can't quite see what that is. I see it better when I look at the video after I've made it than just looking, straight on. But there's images all over this. This sort of looks like another horse from the side. And there's a little critter right there riding the top. You can see his eyes. He's right on the top. There's his face and eyes. It's also a scraper. These two edges right here are semi-sharp right now. Everything else is soft, and it's held perfectly like that as a scraper. This is an awesome tool. I would call this a story stone. I mean, I could make up a story about it if I just knew what was on it. This is another interesting one. I forgot why it was interesting. Maybe it wasn't interesting at all. What's it doing here? There's something. I don't know, maybe I see horses too much, but that looks like a huge profile of a horse. But maybe that's why I brought it in here, because it looked like something. It appears that this stone was painted totally yellow. That's what I see down in those grooves, is yellow paint. But now that's just guessing. But that's looking close into the deep places. But these have a red, the image is painted red, this bull, and then it's outlined in black. These are. That little critter, I don't know, it sort of looks like a dog laying there, but I don't know. But the body of it is red, and then it's outlined in black. This one is the same way. It's I believe it's a cave bear. And it seems to be painted red and black. This one will take some time. This is a core, but it has images on every single angle, mostly elephants. And there's some red and black in it too that's designating certain images. But that's color. Folks, these last few that I've been showing you, most of this last few they come from my pile in here that I kept putting off. We're getting a really good rain. Come from my pile in here that, oh, I don't know, I get back to them now and then, clean up a half a dozen of them, and I'm never disappointed. So I've got all of these. These are ones that I just found interesting, and they go in a pile out there. Then I go through them again, and I pick out even more interesting ones, or I think are interesting. They haven't been cleaned up or anything. And then they come to this pile. And every once in a while I get into them and find stuff. That's just awesome. But that's where a few of those last ones came from. That yeah, it's still a mess here, but we're about done with the pottery shop. I can't wait, because then I can go back to my rock room. Bye for now, folks. Just wanted to say we're having an awesome rain. Love it. So bye for now from Southwest Missouri.